Hey all, very good day. So I'm here to show you how to create the task in ezyPMS system. So in the previous video I have shown you how to create the project in ezyPMS system, and today I'm going to show you how to create the task in ezyPMS system. Okay, to create the task you can see the create task which is in the left side of the dashboard, right? Okay, you can see it, right? I'm just clicking it create task and it takes me to this page, and here you can see the project which I have assigned, and within that you can see add task. I'm just clicking add task here. Okay, it takes me to the create task name page, and here it first asks about the task name. So I'm having my task name, so I'm just copying it and pasting it here. Okay, I'm just copying it and pasting it here. Okay, and the second thing is for task description, and it's as same as the project creation. Okay, so I'm just clicking the task description here and also paste it here. As I said previously, in the create project page you can also length this. Okay, and also you can use bold, italics, underline, or also you can link the website links, and also you can make bulletins and everything. So I'm just want my description to be like this, and I'm just leaving it like this. Okay, and next thing you can see the pick task color. Okay, you can give your task an individual color. Okay, you can differentiate each and every task of yours. Okay, I'm just giving my task color as purple. Okay, and I'm clicking okay. Okay, this is my task color. Okay, then next thing is task depends on. Here you can choose your current tasks depend task. Okay, so I'm choosing keyword research as a depends on task, and which means the current task is depend on the previous tasks which you have done, and they are related, and other than you can say that which is a continuation, or they have a link with each other, and that's what it means. Okay, so the next thing is pick the start and the end date, and I'm starting this project as 15th August, and I'm expected to be end by 22nd. Okay, I'm just giving my start date and the end date here, and below that you can see the expected time to complete within hours and also in minutes, and I'm just giving 7 hours and 30 minutes. I want my task to be complete by 7 hours and 30 minutes from now. Okay, and below that you can choose the priority as I previously said in the project creation, and you can choose the level up to 1 to 5, and here you can also see the color, priority color, which is changes according to the priority level. Okay, if you have less priority, the priority color is lightened, and if you have high priority, the priority color is darkened. That's what the thing is, and I'm just giving first my priority. Okay, and below that you can see assign or assess to option. Here you can see the staffs of your agencies, and you can assign your tasks to the staffs. Okay, I'm just selecting few staffs and also a project manager here, and also agency, which is me. Okay, so okay, if I click save here, my project is my task is automatically saved, and that's all how to create a task in the ezyPMS software. Hope you all got it. Thank you so much.